guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. I know I took a 2-week break, but that was so necessary because I was feeling really overwhelmed, really stressed out. I didn't want to worry about what I had to post, when I had to do it, how much work I have on my plate. I just needed some time to like refresh my mind, and I'm back with a video that was inspired by all of this. In the last couple of weeks, I have been feeling really up and down. There have been so much in the news, social media, in my life in general with having a toddler. It just like became so overwhelming. It's like uncertain of so many things that it literally makes me go into my shell and just not want to come out. And today I'll be showing with you guys things that have really helped me in the morning that make the biggest difference. Having this break, taking myself away from social media, taking myself away from comparing from everyone else, and just come on here and talk about what I learned, what I've been doing, what's been helping me, and in return I hope some of these things help you as well. So if you want to see what this video is all about and how I've been dealing with the stresses of my everyday life, keep watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. One thing I do every morning is make my bed. If it's messy, it kind of throws my day off. So I want to make sure that the bedroom is nice and tidy. It's very simple. I just put the sheets on, make sure they're flat and the pillows look nice. And then I take some time to sit and reflect on what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to visualize 3 things. 1, I'm going to start with a 5-minute flow and stretch. 2, I want to go outside and enjoy my coffee. And 3, I want to be able to finish one video concept for the week. And now that's out in the universe, let's get the day started. Every morning I take a shower. I always like to do this because it just sets my day off. I can't go into the day without taking a shower. Always have and always will. Jeff and I are exactly the same. But what I like to do when I'm in here is I like to do the hot and cold. The cold kind of wakes me up and the hot just soothes my muscles and stuff from like achiness. And I also like to use the Thursday Plantation Eucalyptus cough and cold essential oil. I also love how this makes me feel like I'm at a spa early in the morning, which is the best way to start the day. Now I'm gonna get into my skincare routine. I'll be starting off with the Belif Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner. I've already cleansed my face in the shower, so here I'm just going to tone, freshen up the skin, and take off any excess oil, bacteria, or sweat that's accumulated. And I'm just gonna wipe this all over the face and neck. I also find that I use toner way more in the spring and summer because I sweat more. Now, a new addition to my skincare routine in the mornings is using an eye mask. The one I'm using here is the Wishful, Eyelift, and Snatch under eye pads. These are really cute. I love the color and they peel off really easily and you just apply underneath the eye. I'm gonna actually keep this on for the entire skincare routine and then at the end I'll remove. But right now my eyes are looking a little tired, so I'm just gonna keep them on and do the rest of my skincare routine. A new addition to my bag has been the Alchemist Serum. This stuff smells amazing. They are new to Sephora and I have just been loving their line, their lip balm, their toner, their moisturizer. This detox serum is great for anti-aging, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's clean at Sephora, and I just love how this serum has been affecting my skin. It's just super glowy and I feel like more youthful with it. Now I'm going to go into moisturizer. I've been using the Farmacy Honey Halo. I posted this on my Instagram stories and so many of you are already fans, and that is great to know because I love this stuff. This ultra hydrating ceramide moisturizer replenishes dry and distressed skin, which I have, and it also gives lasting hydration. It plumps the skin up and it improves the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also really great if you have dry, combo, or normal skin. I love it because it has no parabens, no silicones, cruelty-free, and it's also clean at Sephora too. And to zhuzh it up a bit, I'm going to give my face a little massage, a little bit of lymphatic drainage just to give my skin that lifted look. And then now's the time I'm going to be removing the under eye masks. This is super easy to remove, it doesn't hurt, and my face just feels so much more brighter after using this mask. To follow up with the eye mask, I'm going to apply the eulek Henriksen Wrinkle Blur Eye Gel Cream. This is a powerhouse eye cream that blurs the look of lines. I especially like using this in the morning because I do get those dark circles, and the peptides in this cream really help with that. And then just to give my face a little bit of color, I'll be using one of my favorites, the Burts Bees Natural Origin Squeezy Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the color Berry Sorbet. I've been loving this just because Burt's Bees has been one of my favorite natural brands, and I just feel really good using it, and they just have such a natural, beautiful look to them. Skincare is now done. I'm going to dress up my look just a little bit with some Oaken Fort earrings. I've been wearing these nonstop. I love them so much. It just pulls together a look, and I'm just going to add a little bit of makeup on because this really does make me feel so much better. Now let's get into our 5-minute flow yoga and stretch. I've been doing this for the past 4 weeks and it's helped so much with my mental clarity. The first pose is a quick meditation, just sort of telling myself what I want from the day and what I want to take from this practice. Following that, I'll be doing child's pose, one of my favorite resting poses. It also helps stretch the back, which is really nice if I'm working at a desk all day. Then I'm going to transition into the cat and cow pose. This is really good to stretch the front and the back. And I always find that when I did this during my pregnancy, my back muscles were so much stronger. Now I'm going to flow right into downward dog, stretch out the legs a little bit, stretch out the calves. And this is also a really great way to just stretch out those legs and the back. I still have a lot of work to do in my yoga practice, and I think it's just over time I will get better, but I do one day want my heels to hit the floor and get that perfect downward dog. Now I'm going to transition into upward dog. This is going to stretch the front and the back really nicely. I love this pose to help lengthen. Then I'm going to do a few lunges on the right side and then also on the left side. When I sit, sometimes I sit cross-legged in my desk and that's really bad, so I do like to stretch out this area. Then I'm going to go right into forward fold. My legs are not very flexible, but I'm still working on it. This is going to stretch the back of the calves and the legs, and then I'm going to close this with 3 things I'm grateful for and carry this throughout the rest of my day. So earlier I visualized I wanted to do my 5-minute stretch, which I did, and now I want to enjoy my coffee outside. Here I'll be using my Nespresso. This is the Columbia pod. I love this coffee. It's quick and easy, and I don't have to grind any coffee beans, even though I love that as well with my Chemex, but this is also really nice too, just to have quick, fast, and if I need like a quick espresso shot, I will use this. One of my favorite things about Nespresso is that they're just such good machines. I think I bought this probably 5 years ago and it works like a gem. It's amazing, and they have a recyclable program as well, which I really like to avoid waste with the pods. And here I am enjoying my coffee. I like to do a little bit of reflecting. Here are some tulips our neighbors gave us. They're so beautiful, and I just love looking at them and putting them on the kitchen counter. And here's just time, before Henry wakes up, I just like to think about what I'm doing today. No phones around, my cell phone isn't there, and it's just quiet time for a couple of minutes. And going outside every day has helped me so much, especially when it's sunny. That vitamin D hitting my skin, my face, just makes the biggest difference. One of the things that I've been trying to do so much in the last couple of weeks is get out. Whether it's rain or shine, I want to make sure I get outside, because being at home when you can't go anywhere and you can't see anyone, it can really play with your mindset and how you feel overall. So I always make it a goal for Jeff and I and Henry to go out and enjoy the day and physically be outside. Now, another thing that I have realized is that sometimes working at my office every day in and out is not working for me, and it kind of has hindered my creativity. So what I've been doing is I've been taking my laptop and bringing it downstairs to the dining room and just working in a different place. Just by doing this has created like a different environment for my brain to kind of work in, and the senses are different. Sometimes just a change of scenery can really help with your mental health. I found that just by moving my office down to the dining room, working on my laptop, I felt different things, I was looking at different things, I was creating different things, so that was definitely something that's helped me. Another thing that's really helped me in the morning is reading inspirational quotes. I have this 2021 planner I bought from HomeSense, and I love it because it's got like these little cute quotes in every month. So February was do more of what makes you happy. March was be the best version of yourself. And in April, don't forget to be awesome. That is a great one. And moving forward just to one more month, May is bloom where you are planted. I feel like reading these constantly has given me more inspiration. I also go on Pinterest too, so it doesn't really matter where you're getting the inspiration or just positivity from. I feel like just reading something like that and having it visually for yourself can really make a big difference. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!